How to see Reels watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see Reels watch history on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here, in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as Watch History. So simply tap on it. And now here, in this section, you will see the list of all the reels that you have watched before on Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can see Reels watch history on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.